Hello YouTube, this is David from DIY Games. This is my pallet build. As you can see by the glare of the sun, there is a high gloss on this bench. This was made entirely out of pallet wood, reclaimed from pallets as well as the dunnage. You can see the side rails that went into the sides here. I have one on top here, one on the other side, one here, one on the other side. These are actually 2x4 runners that did not have the forklift cutouts in them. I ended up getting 4 of those, cut them all in half, made sure they were the same length, screwed the 2 of them together. I made this base. The top actually separate. What I did was clamped 13 boards together. Then I screwed them all together from the outside through these forklift rails. Then I took that, sandwiched it in between the 4 posts, capped out all 4 corners, closed in the bottom with a piece of dunnage here, one in the middle, one across. And then I also put the slats over the top from additional pallets, as well as capping off this side and the other side. And I even went a little bit further with it and kind of wrapped it around, make it look a little cleaner, make it look nice. Then I stained it a dark walnut. After I sanded everything, got everything real smooth, then I went ahead and stained it a dark walnut. Then I sanded it back a little bit, started doing a couple different colors to it, green, blue, red, things like that. Put some gray in there, sanding it a few times in between, that would give it that weathered look. And then I have 3 coats of high gloss polyurethane, and this is what it turned into. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Leave comments below. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll answer them the best I can. And thank you again for watching.